welcome back to Godiag Lab. Have you ever wondered beside me who else are inside this Godiag team? Let's follow my steps and find out. So this is Godiag Lab, the TikTok department. We have video shooting, editing, and product operation. Hello. Are you curious about who's behind our Godiag product? Let's meet our in-house R&D team.
Hi, I'm Peng Ren. The purpose of developing the GT100 was to make it easier for automotive repair engineers and ECU engineers to diagnose and program ECUs, either in the lab or in the office. The purpose of developing the EMO wiring harness is to make it easier for locksmiths to perform key matching after removing the module. After matching, testing is convenient, avoiding the time wasted by locksmiths having to go back and forth between the car while programming and matching the keys. Our team focuses on providing more stable and convenient products for automotive locksmiths and diagnostic professionals. Our mission is to solve the various pain points that professionals encounter when using different equipment in their practical work. From design drawings to product prototypes, every step is advanced through continuous testing and precise technical guidance.
Hi, I'm Lee, the head of production. Our production department is the vehicle through which we transform creative ideas into reality.
A slight deviation can lead to a huge mistake. Our unwavering commitment is the foundation of Godiag's reputation.
Rigorous quality control processes ensure that every product allows our customers to shine brightly and effectively in their respective fields with stability, safety, and convenience.
Our goal is to ensure that every product is delivered to the customer on time with the right quality and in the correct quantity.
You've seen the departments behind the products, but are you wondering who's dealing with the orders? Let's find out.
Hello, I'm a manager of Godiag eBay team.
Hello, I'm the manager of Godiag Amazon team.
Hi, I'm the manager of Godiag Web Store team.
We are not here for one-time deals. We are here to build trust that lasts. We closely monitor global market trends and deeply understand customer needs. No matter which platform you find us on, our goal is always the same: provide products you can trust.
Alright, that's all the departments of Godiag. We're surprised to see that so many departments are working closely together behind the scenes at Godiag. Godiag is not just a brand that manufactures its own wiring harness platforms, nor is it simply a brand that provides videos of professional knowledge. From the production and development of its own products to the sales of various brands it represents. Then we got our first Godiag workshop. The Godiag team has always been dedicated to solving customers' problems. Thank you very much for your support to Godiag, and we hope that Godiag can continue to grow together with you. Godiag 新创未来，逐梦星宇。